In last episode I added carbon fiber to the top of the wing and that's the result. I trim and save the overhanging carbon fiber. I will use it somewhere else later. I clean up the edges and just can't wait to see how the wing looks on the plane. I used DJI Avata 2 to capture this shot. Check it out. Back to the bench to prepare the bottom of the wing. I route out the channels for all the cables. I need to come up with a way of not damaging them when cutting out servo pockets. I haven't really planned it ahead and I have a feeling that this will give me some trouble. I keep going anyways. I want to see the plane flying. This channel will accommodate cables for navigation lights and strobe lights. I made those lights out of regular LED strip. Blinking and color of the strobe lights will be managed by Arduino microcontroller. Different colors of the strobe lights will be indicating different flight modes. I'm still debating if I should route the servo pockets before or after the bottom skin goes on. If I do it after, there is a chance of damaging the wires if I'm not careful enough. On the other hand, it is always neater to cut the opening at the end. Last thing that I forgot is the airspeed sensor. I will install it in the next episode before the layup. That's all for today, and more coming soon.